The new home of the Shakey's Biligan. Kita nyo naman, opening day, we've got a lot of volleyball fans present for the opening of the second conference. And sabi nga ng mga kaibigan natin from Sports Vision, this venue is much more accessible to a lot of volleyball fans all over the metro, no?
That's right.
Maraming modes of transportation going here, and it's very, very close to the different schools, especially yung naglalaro na schools natin from FEU and all the rest of the schools of the city.
That's right. Kaya rin siguro no yung attendance din natin dito ngayon. We have a lot of people also joining us on the first day.
At you can expect na padami pa ng padami yan, and paglalo na paganda na ng paganda yung mga laro natin. Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it has got to be Shakey's. 7 points na ang lamang. Napatawag ng timeout si Coach Benny Ibanez.
Ayun dalawa ni Resen, bakit kayo nagbanggaan? Dapat may patay na kayo sino dito, sino sa likod. Saan na ba? Ang nabasa ko, ang sabi ko ganyan. First half na naman nawala. Tulungan niyo yung niliro natin. Yan naman, Ako nila sinabi ko naman.
Alright, FEU Makati, the newest campus of Far Eastern University, is now accepting enrollees in the following degree programs: Accountancy, Accounting Technology, Information Technology, and Business Administration. Get that business education in the heart of the business district. 836-2002 or visit www.feu.edu.ph. 19-12, and lamang po ang Philippine Army. Lamang din sila sa sets 2-0. They get another point via a block. And look at that. Block by Yonko again.
Ball was actually redirected talaga, no? To bounce back.
And alam mo, when you go here sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium, you will see the Shakey's booth, ano? And in that Shakey's booth, you can buy those limited edition volleyballs available for only 299 pesos at the Shakey's food booth here inside the Ninoy Aquino Stadium. So pag nanood po kayo dito, please don't miss that opportunity to get that Shakey's limited edition volleyball for only 299 pesos.
Yun nga, nakita ko yung booth kanina saying, wow, those are nice looking volleyballs. I'm sure a lot of people will, maraming bibilin yan.
Nawawala tayo sa pattern na naman. Pwede to open dito. Huwag na pumunta sa ibang pwesto na hindi. Huwag na pumunta sa pwesto nyo sa patok. Huwag kayo mag-pwesto sa area. Iwanan nyo na yung pwesto nyo kasi yung palo nila. Cross-court, hulog, ano lang naman. Yung libiro, may iwanan sa likod. May magkuha ng hulog. Lahat, ano na sa alam lahat. Ha? Maybe!
Look at this serve from Michelle Carolino. Just enough to get it over. Rosale was there, but na-over-receive, and nandun na si Dalia Cruz waiting for that ball. For reception again. Free ball given out, and Dalia Cruz cross-court hit dug up by Carpio. Too close to the net.
Now, just a lot of errors again dito sa koponan ng Philippine Navy.
Sayang, ano, because midway, ayan, hanggang mga 10-11, dikit eh.
Oh, they started off really well.
Really, really close.
And that's what they need, ano. If you're up against a team like the Philippine Army, ang gusto mo, dikit ka sa kanya. Hindi ka man lamang, dikit ka dapat palagi para hindi ikaw yung naghahabol.
One of the very few good hits coming from Kite here in this match. 13-23. Galindo with a good serve. Oh, nice off speed from Rachel. It is now match point for the Philippine Army, and it seems that they have shown to the rest of the teams that we are the team to beat, no? Parang gusto nilang ipakita agad. You want the championship, you gotta get through us first.
And ito nga, no, kahit sinong ipasok nila off the bench, you'll see that they really have a very strong lineup.
Again, folks, this is the Open Conference. This is just the first match of our second conference. The Philippine Army, the defending champions, getting win number 1 against the Philippine Navy.
As we take a look at our Shakey's shake and play, giving the Philippine Army a 3-set win in today's match.
Ayan, diretso sa cameraman pala natin yun. And we'll be right back for the wrap-up and, of course, our Shakey's best player after the short break.